Okay, folks, let's look at this 1 mark A-level maths question, okay, or AS level maths question. We're asked to find the coefficient of the x term in the binomial expansion of 3 plus x in brackets to the power of 4. Circle your answer. Is it 12, 27, 54, 108? Then it's worth 1 mark. So this is looking at binomial expansion. Now here there is a little trick here. Because we're looking at the x term, so the coefficient of x, all I need to do here is just expand, okay, a double bracket. So I'm going to do 1 plus x all squared. Because if I expand a double bracket, I know that I'll get something in the format of a plus bx plus cx squared. Okay, and I'm looking for the b term, okay, in that, yeah, double bracket expansion, okay, yeah, that quadratic expression, okay. So what we're gonna do, oh sorry, it should be 3, sorry, not 1, I apologize, sorry, I don't know why I put 1 there. Okay, so 3 plus x times 3 plus x. So again, we're gonna expand it as normal. So 3 times 3 makes 9. 3 times plus x makes plus 3x, or positive 3x. Plus x times 3, so positive x times 3 makes plus 3x, or positive 3x. X times x makes x squared. Okay. Now if we collect our like terms, we're going to have 9 plus 6x, okay, plus x squared. Okay. So find the coefficient of the x term. So 3 plus x times 3 plus x, we get this. Okay, so let's just write out, yeah, the binomial expansion. Okay, so the Pascal's triangle. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so that's power of 0, power of 1, power of 2, power of 3. Then we're going to go one more, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, so that'll be 3 to the 4 times x to the 0 times 1. Okay, then we got 4, so 3 cubed times 4 times x. So we want to do 3 cubed times 4 times x. Okay, that'll be 27. 27 by 4, so 27 times 4, guys, you get 108. So the answer, guys, should be 108. Now, I'm not too sure why this method that I tried initially didn't work. I thought that might work here because technically you're expanding that, but you are having to multiply by the coefficient of this. Okay, so because that would have been in the middle, okay, I would have had to do 36 times 3 because I would have had to square this, okay, or whichever one we were at, and then times it by 3, okay. But yeah, so this method, yeah, sorry, unfortunately, it doesn't always work. So apologies for that, okay, because I thought it actually would, okay. But it's because we are forgetting to multiply by the Pascal's triangle constant, if that makes sense. Okay, so yeah, so because there was a 6 there, we should have times it by, sorry, because it was 6x, we should have times it by 6 and then by 3, because it was the third term, okay, that we were looking at, and obviously by 3 because we're looking at 3 here, okay, because it was, yeah, it was going to have been 3 squared times x squared times the middle term, okay, and 3 times 3 is 9, okay, sorry, that's obviously the x squared term, sorry, should be 3 cubed times the x to the 1 term times by 4. Okay. So yeah, sorry guys, I think I messed it up there, but hopefully that makes sense. Okay. So use your Pascal's triangle. So you can work it out as you normally expand it, but then multiply by which position, okay, number you are looking at in your Pascal's triangle in the 4th row for the binomial expansion. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, sorry it wasn't really clear.